Hello traders, welcome to Binary Option Strategy. In this video I'm going to be backtesting the binary option indicator brought to you by Invest2.com. Remember that if you want to profit from this indicator, all you need to do is upgrade your membership to a premium membership at Invest2.com. Now let's jump to the MT4 platform and let's backtest the signals for scalpers on the 1 and 5 minute chart, day traders on the 15 and 1 hour chart, and for swing traders on the 4-hour chart and daily charts. Now here's my MT4 platform, and as you can see, I already have plugged in the indicator on all my charts, and I'm going to show you my indicator list so you can see that I am in fact using the binary option indicator from Invest2.com. Okay. Now, this is the 1 hour Euro US dollar and the 1 minute Aussie Canadian dollar. Okay, now let's start with the Aussie dollar Canadian dollar 1 minute chart and let's go through the signals. Now, in this chart, we have 3 signals, and as you can see here, the first signal comes when this leg up ends and the down move starts. And the signal comes at the beginning of this candle, so our entry point should be around 98.94.6. And if we are trading off the 1 minute chart, we want to trade the 5 minute expiration option. So if we can count 5 candles, 1 2 3 4 5 candles, the expiration time is 98.92, which is lower than our entry price, and this put option expires in the money. Now here we have at the end of this down move, and after we base at this support zone, another signal. In this case, this is a signal to buy call options, and as you can see, we have the signal at this candle, and our entry point should be, or entry level, I'm sorry, should be 98.83. And 1 2 3 4 5 candles later, our exit level is 98.83, which is higher than our entry point. So this option also expires in the money. And right here we have a third signal. In this case, this is a signal to buy put options, and our entry level should be around 98.89, and 1 2 3 4 5 candles later, our option expires well in the money. Let's go to the 5 minute US dollar Canadian dollar chart, and as you can see here, we have 3 signals, and the first signal comes when this flag formation breaks, and our entry level should be around 113.29. And if we are trading off the 5 minute chart, we want to use between the 15 and the 30 minute expiration option. And in this case, whether we use the 15 or 30 minute expiration option, you can see that this put option expires in the money, because after our entry or after our signal, we never go above the entry level. Now, again, after the move down, we get a signal to buy call options, and the signal comes at the 113.03 level, and if we count 6 candles for a 30-minute expiration option, 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles, our closing level should be around 113.08, which is higher than our entry level, so this call option also expires in the money. And right here we have another signal to buy put options, and the entry price is at the beginning of this bullish candle at around 113.11, and if we count 6 candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles, this option expires out of the money. But if we choose to trade the 50-minute expiration option, this option will have expired in the money. 1, 2, 3. But since we were trading the 30-minute expiration option on both this put option and this call option, we are going to be trading the 30-minute expiration option on this put option, and this option expires out of the money. But this is fine because we have 2 winners and 1 loser on the 5-minute chart, and we're going to backtest it now on the 50-minute chart, euro US dollar. Now the first signal comes at this resistance zone, and our entry level is exactly at 126.68, and if we're trading the 50-minute chart, we're going to use the hourly expirations. And so 1, 2, 3, 4 candles later, our closing level is way below our entry level, so this put option expires in the money. Here we have another put option signal, and the entry level for this option is right here when this bullish candle opens at 126.74, and 1, 2, 3, 4 candles later, this option also expires in the money. Here, when the price starts to reject this resistance zone and breaks below, we have another signal to buy put options at the entry level of 127.02, and 1, 2, 3, 4 candles later, you can see that this option also expires in the money. And right here, when this leg down ends and this leg up begins, we get another signal to buy put call options at the 126.81 level, and 1, 2, 3, 4 candles later, this option also expires in the money. Now you can see that this indicator is pretty accurate when it comes to picking bottoms and tops and giving you perfect entry levels or entry signals for you to profit from the main reversals on the short term. So let's go to the 1-hour chart on the euro US dollar, and you can see that we have here 5 signals to buy call options. The first one comes at the 126.37 level, and if you are trading the hourly of the hourly charts, you want to choose the 4-hour expiration options, and if you count 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, you can see that this option expires in the money. Now this signal to buy call options comes at the 126.44 level, and 1, 2, 3, 4 candles later, you can see that this option also expires in the money. And here we have another signal to buy call options that comes at the beginning of this bearish candle at the 27.66 level, and 1, 2, 3, 4 candles later, 127.66 level. In this case, we are going to be breaking even or expiring out of the money, and the reason why we are maybe expiring out of the money is because sometimes we are not going to be as fast as the signal comes to enter the market, and we might get some slippage between the signal and our entry point. So we are going to count this signal as a losing signal. And right here we have a signal to buy call options, and you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 candles later, this option also expires out of the money. But here we have a great signal to buy put call options again, and this signal comes at the 26.37 level, and if you count 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, you can see that this option expires in the money. So on this example on the hourly chart, we have 3 wins out of 5 trades, which is very nice. And you can see that this signal was actually at a very crucial turning point, because after this move down, the market moved all the way up here. But because of this indecision period, this option expires at break even. Now let's go on the forward chart for all of you who like to swing trade and who like to hold on to positions for a while. You can see that here we have a very good signal to buy call options, okay, that starts or the signal pops at the 160.47 level on the cable chart. And if you are trading the 4 hour chart, my advice is for you to trade at the end of week expiration option. And in this case, you can see that this option expires clearly in the money. Okay, and then we get a very nice signal to buy put options right at the top of the beginning of this entire move down. And you can see that this is right at the top because the signal comes at the beginning of this bearish candle at the 61.48 level. And you can see that actually this trade is an excellent winner because price moved all the way down here, and from the entry level to the actual price, we have 500 pips drop. So you can see that this indicator is very accurate when it comes to picking turning points in the market. And if you want to be able to trade with its signals, the only thing you need to do is upgrade your membership to a premium membership at invest2.com.